You've stayed very grounded, haven't you?
Thank you.
How?
Because they haven't paid me yet. That's why. I'm joking.
You guys are a brand more than band. What do you say to that?
This isn't because I didn't have an answer and I'm still
Yes, I mean, that criticism that you're a brand, you really don't want to answer this question, do you?
I'm like, how long have we got left?